Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to verify Okta account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To verify your Okta account, what you need to do first is email verification. When you organize and create your Okta account, you might receive a verification email. Open that email and click the verification link to activate your account. The next is to go to your organize and login page by simply heading over and open up your browser, and on your Okta login page, enter your username and password. If it's your first time, Okta might ask you to set up your multi-factor authentication or complete or update your profile information. Then after entering your password, you'll often need to verify your MFA. Use your chosen method. Then for Okta Verify, simply head over and open up your app, then enter the 6-digit code it shows and opt the push notifications. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.